Alright everyone, so here is the last example, example number 3 para sa vertical strip na kino-consider natin na merong upper function minus lower function. So as we can see in this figure, nakagraph na yung ating function, yung ating parabola na y equals to x squared, and then we have a line here which is y equals to 2 minus x, and then you have your x-axis na kung saan may equation siya na y equals to 0. So kinonsider natin yung region na na-enclose ng tatlong curve na yan, which is this one, and then denote daw siya by r. Ngayon, ang goal natin is hanapin yung area nito. Now, obserbahan natin, on the interval 0 to 2, di ba, yan kasi magiging interval natin, meron tayong dalawang upper function. Right? So, we cannot use these two graph, no, yung sa parabola at sa line as our upper function. So, mas possible dapat isa lang, no? Hindi natin mai-incorporate itong both na upper function na to dito sa ating equation. So, ano yung remedy na pwede natin gawin diyan? So again, we need to consider yung point of intersection ng ating dalawang upper function. So, ang gagawin natin is hahatiin natin into two areas yung ating area na to. So, let's say yung area ng region natin is denoted by A, magkakaroon tayo ng sum ng dalawang area. So, pwede kasi ang gawin natin, hahatiin natin to. No, mula dito sa point of intersection, gagawa tayong vertical line dyan. So, we consider that this left side area, denote natin as A sub 1, and the right side area is A sub 2. So, separate yung pagkuha natin ng area, no, for this kind of region. Okay? Ngayon, unahin muna natin yung A sub 1. So, sa A sub 1 kasi, ano ba yung nagamit na mga, ano ba yung upper function natin for A sub 1? So, we have there, yung parabola natin, which is si y equals to x squared. So, we have x squared as our function, upper function, and then of course yung lower function natin yung graph na y equals to 0. So maglagay lang tayo ng minus 0 there respect to x, and then magiging interval natin of course is from 0 to 1 kasi ito lang yung consider natin na interval. So we have 0 to 1, and then integrate natin yan. This will gives us of course this is 1/3 x cubed. Evaluate natin yan from 0 to 1, which gives us 1/3 times 1 cube minus 0 cube, right? 1/3 times 0 cube, which gives us 1/3 square units. Okay? So, yun yung area natin ng A sub 1. Ngayon, for A sub 2, so for the upper function naman ng region natin na to, A sub 2, so i-consider nating upper function natin is yung line na green, which is yung 2 minus x. So, we have 2 minus x, minus the lower function natin is the x-axis, which is equal to 0. And this one, yung ating limits of integration dito is from 1 to 2. So, meron tayo from 1 to 2. Ngayon, pag in-integrate natin yan, we will have here 2 minus x. We have 2x minus 1/2 x squared. So, evaluated from 1 to 2. So, this gives us 2 times 2 minus 1/2 times 2 squared. Tama? Minus, sa 1 naman, substitute yung 1, you have 2 times 1 minus 1/2 times 1 squared. So, this will gives us 2 times 4, this is 4. This is 2 times 2, 4, 2. So, meron tayong 4 minus 2, which is 2. And then, in this side, we have 2 minus 1/2, that is 3 halves, no? Magkakaroon tayo ng 3 halves dito, but we have negative sign, minus 3 halves tayo. And then, subtract, this gives us 1/2, right? So, we have 1/2 square units. And then what we're going to do is i-add natin yan, yung dalawang nakuha nating area. So you have a sub 1 equals to a sub 2. For the area is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub 2. So this gives us area which is equal to 1/2, 1/3 plus 1/2. So this is area now is 5/6 square units. So yan yung sa example number 3 natin. So again, kung sa tingin natin, no, mapansin natin that our given has two upper function. We must consider, no, to partition the region into separate regions pa, considering kung saan sila nag-intersect. So in this example, meron tayong point of intersection do sa sa 1 natin on the x-axis. So diyan kasi nag-iba sa point of intersection na to, nag-iba yung ating upper functions. So hindi lang tayo basta-basta mag-i-integrate lang para manguha ng area, maghanap ng area. So we need din to first consider, no, baka naman yung upper or lower function natin is magkaiba na. That's why we need to separate partition yung ating region, no, using the point of intersection ng ating mga graphs. So that's it for this video lecture on the vertical strip, no, considering the upper function minus lower function. So sa next video, we will consider naman yung horizontal strip kung saan meron tayong right function minus the left function. And this example number 3, in fact, pwede nating magamit yung horizontal strip, no, to answer this particular problem. Right? So see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.